Hello students, welcome to your computer class. Today we are going to start with part 2 of chapter number 2, software and its types. First of all, we'll have a review of the topics which we have studied in the previous part 1. Meaning of software, types of software and system software. These all were the topics which we have studied in the previous class. Now the topics which we are going to study: application software and its type. This is the topic which we are going to study in this class. The very first one is application software. It is a set of programs which is being designed to help users to perform specific tasks. These application software can be installed as well as uninstalled in a computer or in a laptop or in your mobile phones, depending upon the requirement of the users. Application software is being classified into two categories. The first one, general purpose application software, and second one, specific application software. Now we'll study in detail about these two subcategories of application software. The very first one is general purpose application software. They are developed keeping in mind the general needs and requirements of a large number of people. Examples are word processing software. This particular software is used for creating text-based documents such as letters, stories, and reports. Some of the examples of word processing software are MS Word, WordPad. Next one is spreadsheet software. It accepts data values and allows users to manipulate, calculate, and analyze data in the desired manner. Some of the examples of spreadsheet software are MS Excel, Lotus 123. Then the next one is database management system or DBMS. This program helps us in storing large amount of data in an organized manner. Examples are Oracle, MS Access, etc. Moving on towards the next one, desktop publishing software, DPS. This is the software which is used for creating designs and layouts of books, journals, brochures, newspapers. Basically, in easy words, you can understand the cover page of the book is being created with the help of this DPS, desktop publishing software. Examples are Adobe Photoshop, Quark Express. Now the next one is graphic software. This software helps us to work with the images. Examples Adobe Photoshop and Paint. Multimedia software. This software let us work with the images, text, sound, etc. Examples are Windows Media Player, which is a very common examples nowadays. Everyone is using in our laptops. Next one is presentation software. This software is used to create and design slideshows and multimedia presentations. Examples are MS PowerPoint. See, whenever we are taking online classes, the teacher is always teaching us with the help of presentation. So that presentation is made with the help of MS PowerPoint. Next one is specific application software. This software is developed keeping in mind the particular requirements of an organization or individual. Example, reservation system used at airports and railway stations. So what type of software is being required at the airports and railway station, keeping in mind according to their needs that particular application software is being designed. Moving on towards the home assignment, the very first question: what is the use of language processor software? Name one such software. Differentiate between system and application software. Give one example each. Give an example of presentation software. So this was all about chapter number 2, software and its types. I hope you must have understood. Thank you very much for watching this video.